Removing and replacing the toner collection unit in the HP LaserJet managed MFP E7 series. Remove the new TCU, or toner collection unit, from the packaging and set the plastic bag and plugs aside on a level surface for use later. Set the new part aside on a level surface and make sure the toner openings are facing up. Open the front cover of an HP LaserJet managed E7 series MFP. Press the release tab on the toner collection unit on the left and right sides. Carefully remove the toner collection unit from the printer, keeping it leveled to prevent toner from spilling out. Do not tip or tilt the part during or after removal, and do not place the unit anywhere with the toner openings facing down. Toner can spill and potentially damage flooring, clothing, and be very difficult to clean up. Making sure that the toner openings are facing up, insert the plugs into the ports, and then place the old toner collection unit inside the plastic bag. Seal the bag closed to prevent toner from leaking. HP recommends recycling the TCU where available. Slide the new toner collection unit into the printer. Press firmly on the unit until it locks into place. The tabs should make a clicking sound indicating that it is securely installed. Close the front cover.